Hello everyone. Today we introduce the all-in-one starter kit for Micro-Bit, designed specifically for beginners. It lets you start your Micro-Bit learning journey in a fun and simple way. Next, we will show the functional module diagram, the functional diagram and pinout of the Micro-Bit V2.2 board in sequence. Then connect the Micro-Bit V2.2 board to the kit, and link the kit to the computer via a USB-C cable. No soldering is needed for the whole operation, and it's ready to use out of the box, easy to get started. The kit integrates 13 functional sensors on one board, and comes with over 20 well-designed tutorials covering basic to advanced levels, which can gradually help you get familiar with sensors, develop logical thinking, and inspire innovation. The kit offers a rich range of course projects, including button control, LED intelligent streetlight, obstacle close range alarm, brightness display, IR control, LED servo angle control, polite automatic door, and more. It also boasts distinct features. It adopts a standard sensor board design, requiring no soldering, ready for use right out of the box, and easy to get started with. As open source hardware, it is compatible with official visual modular programming, enabling simpler operation. Additionally, comes with a well-designed portable case, which is compact, exquisite, and easy to carry. Finally, in the programming demonstration section, you only need to compile code using the official visual modular programming. Connect the kit to a computer via USB-C for pairing, and after flashing the program, you can observe the program's running status. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or a hardware enthusiast, you can quickly master the basic Micro-Bit programming knowledge through this Micro-Bit all-in-one starter kit and embark on a new chapter of smart hardware creation.